Imagine a world far from our own, a world painted in shades of red and rust. This is Mars. For centuries, we looked up at this small, reddish point of light in our night sky. We dreamed of visiting. We wrote stories about it. We sent our robotic explorers to map its surface and taste its thin air. We learned about its massive volcanoes and deep canyons. We discovered the faint whispers of ancient water. Those dreams, born from our endless curiosity, have finally carried us across the vast silent ocean of space. Humanity has arrived. Here on the fourth planet from our sun, we have built a new home. It is a testament to our ingenuity. It is a symbol of our unyielding spirit of exploration. We are no longer just visitors. We are inhabitants. We have planted our feet on another world. This small outpost, a beacon of light and life, represents one of the greatest leaps our species has ever taken. We have become a multi-planetary species. The journey was long and filled with challenges, but the human desire to know, to see what lies over the next horizon, pushed us forward. The sun rises differently here. It bathes the landscape in a soft orange glow. The sky shifts through a palette of colors we rarely see on Earth, from a gentle pink to a deep, dramatic crimson. In this alien light, the first human colony on Mars awakens. It is a collection of dreams made real, of science turned into shelter. This is not the end of a journey. It is the beginning of a new chapter in the cosmic story of humanity. A story that is now being written not just on one world, but on two. This achievement stands as a monument to collaboration. It required the minds and efforts of people from all over our home planet. We worked together to solve immense problems. How to travel millions of miles, how to land safely, how to build a world within a world. We found the answers. Now, as the thin Martian air swirls with fine red dust, a new day begins. It is a day of discovery, of work, and of wonder. On this distant planet, humanity is not just surviving, we are thriving. Look closely at the heart of our new world. You will see them shining like jewels on the red soil. These are the great geodesic domes. Their transparent panels, arranged in a beautiful honeycomb pattern, catch the sunlight. They are bubbles of life, carefully constructed to hold a precious treasure, a breathable atmosphere. Inside these magnificent structures, we have recreated a small piece of Earth. The air is warm and moist. The light is filtered to nurture life. These domes are our sanctuaries, protecting us from the harsh Martian environment outside. Step inside one of these giant glass spheres. You will be greeted by an impossible sight. A forest on Mars. Tall trees stretch their branches towards the curved ceiling. Rows and rows of green crops grow in nutrient-rich soil. You can see corn, wheat, and potatoes all flourishing under the distant sun. The air smells of damp earth and fresh leaves. This is where we grow our food. It is where we produce our oxygen. These green spaces are the lungs of the colony, breathing life into our Martian home and reminding us of the world we came from. The domes are more than just farms. They are parks. They are places for people to walk, to relax, and to feel connected to nature. Children born on Mars can run on green grass. They can sit under the shade of a tree. They can see the vibrant colors of flowers. These oases are a vital part of our psychological well-being. They provide a beautiful contrast to the endless red desert that surrounds us. They are a constant living reminder of the blue planet that shines so brightly in our sky. Each dome is a self-contained ecosystem, a masterpiece of engineering and biology. Water is recycled with incredible efficiency. Every nutrient is carefully managed. Sunlight streams through the glass, providing the energy for photosynthesis. At night, the domes glow softly from within, powered by the energy we collect during the day. They appear as warm, golden orbs against the cold Martian darkness. They are symbols of hope, proving that even on a barren world, life can find a way to bloom. Surrounding the glowing domes is the machinery that keeps our colony alive. This is the industrial heart of our Martian city. You can see low, sturdy utility buildings. They house our power plants, our water recycling facilities, and our life support systems. Their surfaces are covered in solar panels, tilted to catch every possible photon from our star. Nearby, large landing pads are etched onto the flat ground. They are the gateways to our colony, the welcome mats for visitors from Earth. These pads show the marks of countless arrivals and departures. On one of the landing pads sits a beautiful spacecraft. Its metallic hull shines in the thin sunlight. a polished silver against the dull red rock. This is our connection to home. It is a vessel that has crossed the great void between worlds, carrying people, supplies, and new technologies. It represents the pinnacle of our engineering, a machine capable of the most incredible journeys. Seeing it resting on the Martian surface is a powerful sight. It is a reminder of how far we have come and the technological bridge we have built across our solar system. In the foreground, the story of our daily work unfolds. Two rovers, our trusted mechanical partners, are heading out from the base. They are robust machines with 6 rugged wheels and powerful robotic arms. One arm has a delicate gripper while the other holds a drill. They are leaving clear tracks in the fine Martian dust, a temporary signature of our presence. These rovers are our extensions into the alien landscape. They explore, they collect samples, they build and they repair, venturing where it is too difficult or dangerous for humans to go. The entire outpost is a carefully planned network. Power lines run from the solar arrays to the domes and workshops. Pipes carry recycled water and oxygen. Communication antennas point towards the sky, sending our discoveries back to Earth and receiving messages of love from our families. Everything has its place. Everything has a purpose. This intricate system of buildings, vehicles, and technology is the skeleton that supports our life here. It is the engine that drives our exploration of this new frontier. Look to the horizon. The Martian landscape is a place of breathtaking scale and stark beauty. Towering cliffs of red rock rise up like ancient monuments. Their layers tell the geological story of this planet, a history of wind, water, and time. Deep craters pockmark the surface, silent witnesses to cosmic impacts from billions of years ago. In the far distance, a true giant looms. It is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. It is so vast that it pierces the thin atmosphere, its peak sometimes hidden in wispy clouds of ice. In the midst of this grand scenery, you can see the pioneers themselves. Astronauts in sleek, modern spacesuits move with purpose. Their suits are not bulky but flexible and efficient, with glowing blue indicators on their wrists. They are unloading a cargo container, their movements slow and deliberate in the lower gravity. They work as a team, communicating through their helmet radios. Beside them, a 4-legged robot, looking like a metallic dog, helps carry heavy equipment. This is the new age of exploration, humans and machines working together as one. As the day ends, a spectacular sight appears on the horizon. It is Earth. It rises like a bright blue and white marble in the crimson sky. From this distance, you cannot see borders or conflicts. You see only a beautiful, unified world, swirling with clouds and oceans. It is a deeply moving sight for the colonists. It is a symbol of where we came from, a source of inspiration, and a promise that we are not alone. It hangs there in the darkness, a beacon of life in the vast cosmos. The setting sun casts long, dramatic shadows that stretch for miles across the flat plains. The light catches the floating dust particles, creating visible rays and beautiful lens flares in our view. The silence is profound, broken only by the hum of machinery and the crackle of radio communications. This is life on Mars. It is a life of hard work, incredible science, and constant wonder. We stand on the shoulders of giants looking out at a new world, forever driven by the simple, powerful question, what's next?